welcome back to another episode of Missy Cooking on a Budget. I am slowly recovering from my surgery, so this is like the third video I've kind of tried to make, and so we'll see if this one I can get all the way through it. My brother did a whole lot of this prep work for me, so that's already done. But today I'm going to show you what we call a potato pack. So the first one I'm going to do is for my husband. His is just going to be potatoes. And all it is we're going to, my brother already cut the potatoes. I would have sliced them a little bit differently, but that's okay. We're going to use what we got. So all it is I've sprayed the aluminum foil down. So on this one, all I did was spray down my aluminum foil. And he cut the potatoes like this. I would usually just like slice them. So then we're just going to salt and pepper them. I might give them a couple more here. And then we're just going to take our butter. Add a couple slabs in there. Take another piece of foil. I know I have that video to show you how to keep your foil in place, but somebody, this foil that I'm using was from a barbecue last year, so it's thicker. And my niece said just bring it over without the container. So, and I'm still using it because she left it here. Okay, so that one's just butter and potatoes. You can see how I just folded it up like a little packet. And in a little while I'm going to throw it on the grill. But I'm going to do the next one for you. Is going to be a little bit bigger. Oil down. We're going to spray it real well. We're going to throw in, I got to grab a knife, I'm sorry. We're going to throw in some more potatoes. We're going to salt and pepper them. We're going to put a few slices of onion in here. And we're just going to cut it any old way. Plopping the onion in there. We're going to take some already cut zucchini and put that in. Again, lightly salted pepper. Throw in some butter. Add the rest of the potatoes. A little bit more zucchini. Sliding all over the place here. And they're a little bit wet, and that's good because that moisture will help steam them. Throw in some more onion. Alright. And it depends on the thickness. It only takes about 30 to 40 minutes on the grill. But your aluminum foil will puff up. And then you just take your knife right through the aluminum foil and test to see if it's done. And before I put on the last layer, I'm going to add a little bit more butter. And there we go. I'm going to put this on top. And we contain it all, and then we roll. Make a little foil pack. And you can do this right on your charcoals, right on your regular fire. I'm going to do it on the propane grill. You can throw it in the oven. But nothing tastes better. I don't know if you guys just noticed. I don't think you can see. This is what happened to my knife last year. It just would have happened again. But I was rolling and my knife was down on aluminum foil. I caught it this time. But it melted last time because I put it on the grill. So we got them all bunched up. And I'm going to put that one to the side. So with it, we're going to have some chicken thighs and some kielbasa. So the chicken thighs I parboiled. And I don't like a whole lot of barbecue sauce, so I'm just going to add a little bit now. And kind of mix it around. So the 6 pieces of chicken thighs, I'm putting about a quarter pepper. Add as much as a little as barbecue sauce you like. When I parboiled it, I salt and peppered it. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. As much as little garlic powder as you like, or none. So I'm just like lightly mixing this around. So everybody's just got a little bit of barbecue sauce, and then when it starts cooking, I might add a little bit more, I might not. It's your preference on that. That's to the side. And then my kielbasa, all I do oop, that piece already broke, perfect. And that piece broke, perfect. Let me just toss this right quick. So I'm just not going to go all the way through. We're just cutting it in half so we can throw it on the grill just like that. On the grill just like that. And just waiting for the grill to heat up, and then I'll throw this stuff on. The kielbasa will be last because that's going to take the least amount of time. And that's it for now. I'll show you when we get it all on the grill. Okay, so it's been heating up for a few minutes on high. I'm going to take a little bit of oil, olive oil here, and just put it on my paper towel. Got it here on the paper towel. Got it on my tongs. And we're just gonna, this is the first time using it this year, but it got cleaned before. We put it away last year. So it ain't too bad, but we're just gonna grease everything up for a minute. Cleans it, plus helps with it sticking. Okay. So then I'm going to turn them down to medium. That's it. It was some sort of, I believe it was a spider, but he's gone now. All right, I'm going to shut this, go grab my meat. Okay. So I'm going to put my potato packs on. This is the one with just the potatoes. Put that to the back here. This one's potatoes, zucchini, and onion. Put that one right there. Ooh. I can already hear that sizzling. And I'm just going to take my chicken. Parboil the chicken, so it's not going to take that long either. I just want to make sure it was cooked. I'm going to let the chicken go. Oh, about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to come and flip it. This, you don't flip it all, you just leave it. Then when I flip the chicken, I'll put the kielbasa on. All right, I'm gonna go in there and get this all cleaned up. Okay, was not recording. I put some everything bagel seasoning in here. I'm just gonna mix it together, put it on my chicken, put the kielbasa on. And for the last time, it was seconds for you guys, but it's been about 20 minutes. So that's all been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. But like I said, it's starting to rain, and we're gonna get the phone out of the rain, and I will show you the completed dinner today. All right, everything's finished, and it did start to rain, like I said, so that's why I didn't show the rest of it. But I'm just going to show you real quick, because I'm not going to have the kielbasa. Here's the kielbasa cooked. Here's the potatoes, onions, zucchini, with my chickens a little bit, as my stepfather used to say, golden brown. A little crispy. That's okay. It's still edible. It's first time grilling this season. Those things happen. And I made a little bit of mac salad yesterday, so I'm going to put a little bit of that on my plate also. And my husband cut up the watermelon. So good. And that's what's for dinner tonight. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you guys for all your prayers. We appreciate it, both for the passing of my father-in-law and for my surgery. And hopefully each day I'm getting a little bit better and I can start recording again. God bless you all. Have a fantastic day.